Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are going to solve this the daily problem of the day. Possible words from a phone number. This is a very intuitive and nice uh, backtracking based problem. So let's get started. So the idea is to basically for a given integer, a lot of strings are possible. Like let's say I give input 34, then 3, 4. I can pick any sequence from 3 and I can pick any sequence from 4. Like if I press 3, 4, I can either have D, F. Basically, for 3, since I have D, E, F, I can have D or F, D or E or F, one of those. And for 4, I can have either G, H, or I. So D, G, D, H, D, I, E, G, E, H, E, I, and F, G, F, H, F, I are possible. So it's like for every number, I can pick any of the three. For the next number, I can pick any of the other three. I hope this makes sense. So we're going to define the result. Now we will try to map. So vector, wait, say, so we can try to maybe map our solution or have a map of what we have currently. But let's say I can have a map of integer of a string. Uh, so for example, for 0, I can have MP, and I can say MP of 0 equal to nothing, of 1 I can probably have. I think 1 also has nothing. Or I can have a vector, I guess. MP of 2 is ABC. 3 is, can I put this in a vector? Like vector of string, maybe MP equal to, then I can have this ABC. I think this is better. DEF, GHI. Yeah, I think this should work. We don't need this thing. So I kind of have a map. Now I want to go through every integer that we have, or take through basically, let's say I have input 2, 3, right? I have input 5. What's the input given in string then? Okay, so okay, string is only integer, full of integers. Okay. Anyways, the string length is less than equal to 7. So 3 to 4 to the power 7 or 3 to the power 7 is the maximum time complexity. So I can probably have, of course, I do not need any. I think one is for the index. The other thing I can probably have is made, right? Returns Let's capture everything. IDX and probably string, yeah, maybe made. Okay, yeah, so now of course you can say that if this IDX equal to n, or let's say s dot size, then I don't have anything to do, so maybe return, or I think I should have everything. Okay, I should have result pushback made and then return. It should work. Otherwise, what I will do is for that particular index. So for maybe some character, it's through this current character, right? So np of I, np of I. No, I have to traverse through map of uh, np of. I need a number. Like for example, you have 3, then I need to traverse through np of 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3 dvf. But how will I know that? Will idx work? Np of idx. But then how will I get the 3? For every I think case of idx, the current I have, this gives me a string on a character. Character I have. So s of idx gives me a character. Mp of that character minus, let's convert this character to string. Oh, sorry, index. Then I can say that maybe made dot pushback, maybe C, oh, yes, push this character, and then maybe call myself again, idx plus 1, comma made, and made dot pop. So do I really need this pop back? Like push this and then maybe go back and then return maybe this. Let's see. Okay, okay. What if I put pop back? I'm not getting any output. Why am I not getting any output? So Okay, get to call 0 comma s, not 0. Made is an empty string. Okay. What if I don't have? I think I can do without having any problem because let's say K. Let's see. That's a J I push. We go again. Then, oh no, I have to come back. Otherwise, after J being pushed, then the next time I don't want to push this J. Let's see if this passes. Okay. Okay, this is top 0.5%. Nice. I will have this saved. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. I hope you understood the solution. Hmm, okay. So the idea was maybe for every character in the string, I go through that push every time, then empty myself, and then maybe go to the next index. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching.